Making sense of variables. A conditional approach. Hello, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic: evaluating the impact of different variables using conditionals. This is particularly important in academic contexts, where we often need to discuss hypothetical situations and their potential outcomes. So, let's get started. Firstly, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of conditionals. Conditionals are sentences that express logical relationships between events, actions, or conditions. They typically consist of two parts: the if clause, the condition, and the main clause, the result. For example, zero conditional facts: if you heat ice, it melts. First conditional, real and possible: if you study well, you will pass the exam. Second conditional, unreal, but likely: if I had more time, I would read more books. Third conditional, unreal and in the past: if I had known about the traffic, I would have left earlier. Now, how do we use these in academic contexts, specifically when evaluating the impact of different variables? It's simpler than you might think. Let's take a research scenario as an example. Imagine you're studying the effect of temperature on the growth of a specific plant species. Here are some ways you might use conditionals. Zero conditional: if the temperature reaches 35 degrees Celsius, this plant species does not survive. Fact. First conditional: if we maintain the temperature at 20 degrees Celsius, the plant will likely grow optimally. Real and possible. Second conditional: if we could control the climate perfectly, we would grow this plant year-round. Unreal, but likely. Third conditional: if we had kept the greenhouse at the correct temperature, the plants would have grown better. Unreal and in the past. The best way to understand this is through practice. Try to make sentences in different conditional forms about your own area of study or interest. Remember, zero conditional is for scientific facts or general truths. First conditional is for predicting or discussing real and possible future events. Second conditional is for imagining present or future situations that are hypothetical or unreal. Third conditional is for expressing regret about past events, or imagining different outcomes for past events. And there you have it. By using conditionals, you can effectively evaluate the impact of different variables in academic contexts. I hope this video has been helpful. Remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable you will become with using conditionals. Keep practicing and happy learning.